Let's make some butterbeer. To start this recipe, we're going to start off with a small saucepan and a whole stick of butter. And now we'll take this to the stove. Begin by melting your butter on a medium-high heat. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of dark or light brown sugar. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of rum extract. Add more rum extract if you feel like your mixture is a little grainy, but by the end of it, our mixture should have this sort of consistency, which is more like a syrup. I prefer the slushy style of this drink, so I blend up my ice, but if you don't have a blender, you can just use regular ice cubes too. Next, we're going to make our whipped cream, which gives our drink that foamy top. Whip up 2 cups of heavy cream and add a tablespoon of syrup for flavor. This is really important because it makes sure that every sip you get is filled with that flavor of the syrup. I use my Vitamix for my whipped cream, but use any method that works best for you. This next part didn't age too well for me. Just leave your whipped cream in a bowl. Do not put it in a bag. I was trying to be fancy for this video, and you'll see what happens in just a second. Add some syrup to a large glass or a large cup. After that, you'll want to pack your glass with some of the blended ice or some ice cubes. After you're done packing your glass, slowly add in your cream soda. Use any brand that you prefer. Just make sure you leave some space at the top of your glass for the cream though. I obviously didn't leave any space, and this is exactly what happened. I tried my best to make this drink look magical, but clearly I'm a failure, so this is my last YouTube video and I'll see you guys never again. Okay, really though, I don't know why I tried to clean this up with 1 paper towel. That was a strange decision on my half. But your drink should look like this if you pack it correctly from a bowl instead of a bag. And there you have it folks, an easy and delicious glass of butterbeer to enjoy at home. I'll leave the recipe down in the description. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments or via my social media channels. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.